So, second episode officially open. Sea trout hunting once again, and I'm out chasing the dream once again. I found myself a beautiful little area now, and I actually have some very nice, I don't know, I will call it in the English term. Yeah, I still know, I'm still sorry about my English, it is a bit danglish. But I hope you still manage to understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, but yeah, as I was saying, I found myself a beautiful little spot now. It's weekend, and you need to look around for places where there's not other anglers around. At least that's my style. Of course, all the popular places are crowded. That's the thing. But that's a thing that you can't do anything about. But now I actually, walked all the way out to the first spot. I'm gonna fish this spot, and I'm gonna let you look from a distance. And it just looks amazing. Some great pools, and let's see if there's a playful sea trout around, and let's cast. Let's do it. I'm hopeful today. I have a good day of fishing now, so yeah, I'm gonna fish this first spot completely through. So stay tuned and see if I'm gonna manage to land that dream fish. So let's go. Right here in front of me, I actually got a pool. It's a small place, but I'm looking for spots where you have some other color in the bottom, and where I'm looking right now, I have 2 or 3 pools I can fish. So I'm gonna lay the first cast, and I'm not very deep, I'm not very far out, because I can cast this sand eel a very big distance. I can make long casts with this sand eel, so I can really get the lure far out. And I'm just fishing now the first pool, maybe 50 or 60 meters in front of me right now. So I'm excited. Even at 43, I'm still exciting. I'm still excited when I go fish, and that's what keeps me going. But now, where we go for the first pool and fish it firmly. And then when I fish this first pool, I'm gonna go to next pool a bit more out. I got to test my my SG8 waders. I was in water almost to the limit, and stupid me, I didn't thought about having pockets right here on the chest with my car keys in and my phone. So 2 not so good things to have in your pocket when you're going that far out. So pockets full of water, car keys lying in salt water, phone lying in salt water. That's perfect. So oh, that's me in a nutshell. So maybe I'm stuck out here. Maybe the car is not manageable to open, but it is what it is. I fish, I just managed to get the cast just over the pools that I wanted to fish. But yeah, no activity. But I was like this high, and I know what all sea trout anglers say often, that you don't need to go that far out, but this spot when I'm fishing here is, yeah, you need to go out there because it's sand bottom and the pools are out a bit distance out there. So yeah, I took the chance. So one car key, one phone. It could have been worse, right? You need to look at the bright side always. But no fish, so I'm gonna relocate. See you in the next spot. Boy, oh boy. Then I reached the outer coastline. And I got 1 hour and a half in this last daylight. My girlfriend, she's already out there casting, so I'm gonna look forward to hear if she got anything out there. But there are a bit more wind out here, so whew, and the fat guy is now I see her in the horizon. So let's lay some good long cast out here with the sand eel in the last daylight and make them count. Yeah, so that was a wrap up for this session of sea trout fishing. Boy, what a weather we had today. Really amazing. And I would say I have some kilometers in the lakes for after this day. I was 5 or 6 different places today, and I got one single strike, and that was in this open coast place the last hour. But it's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful to be out here now in this time of year. So I hope you enjoyed this session of chasing the dream. There's gonna be one more, one more, and one more, and maybe one more, and maybe one more. So out here somewhere in this waters, there's my dream is swimming. So guys and girls and gents and senoritas and everything, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will put more up very, very soon. So tight lines out there, everybody, and I hope to catch you in the next one.